How to reset HP laptop to factory settings whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Here you can see the search bar, search for the settings. Here you can see settings, click it here, search for reset. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, click on reset this PC. Here you can see reset this PC, click on get started. Here you have two options, keep my files or remove everything. If you want your personal files, you can select this. If you want to remove everything like photos, documents, then you can select this. I am selecting this, keep my files, click it here and click on next. We need to plug in our PC to reset the PC. As you can see, ready to reset this PC. Here you can see view all the apps that will be removed. Back. After that, if you want to completely reset your PC to factory settings, click on reset. It has now restarted again. It will restart multiple times, so you don't need to worry about that. As you can see, the laptop is like a new again. Hi, as you can see. As you can see, the laptop is like a new again. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.